Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on lock screen sound in Samsung J4. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options. Swipe up and we will click on the sounds and notifications. After that swipe up some more and here you will see ringtones and sounds. Click on that. After that swipe up and here you will see screen lock sounds, which is off. So firstly on this, it means that it plays sound and it also produce sound when we locking and unlocking the screen. I will show you. Here you will see it will produce a sound when we lock the screen and it also produce sound when we unlock the screen. So in this way you will on screen lock sound in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.